my longest. So I bought a whole bunch of shorts, and I was buying less than $1 a board foot for hard maple. So I got a deal. I still have some left.
You think 400 though?
I think 400.
But you didn't have to pay for this because you had one already.
I didn't have to pay for this, and I didn't have to pay for this. But everything else, I either. Huh?
Yeah. Well, that doesn't include time.
Free.
Yes.
And your kids are already gone.
But I think
that's going to change, I hear.
I think the best deal of the century though is this one.
Yeah.
And how much did you get this one for, Tim? It was $100. $100. Oh, what a deal! This was a deal, the deal of the century right there.
I had to get a welding machine motor to put on.
Yeah, well, yes, you did put it.
Hand crank.
You did put a motor on it. Yes, there was a hand crank on it.
Free.
Yes, yes.
Aluminum was free.
It did have a big flywheel hand crank thing on here.
I didn't have any of that free stuff.
And this is a nice little touch, you know.
I need a little more here.
Greg built off of that and put his here.
Greg's is cool.
Covered his up too, not with metal, but you know. Both are pretty good. I think you did a good job, Greg.
I think it's an incredible job. Oh, yeah.
Now this is the one. It's in here. I would love to rebuild for my grapes. This guy. Grapes go through here, and the flywheel. You can see it's just grinds them up on the side there. I don't think I could use it for apples, but that would work through the grapes. And then rebuild this guy down here, and then right here, you still have this crank, same as the other guys over there. That would crank it down. Comes out here, spills out. Oh, it's just beautiful for wine. Love to do this for my Pinot Noir grapes. But we're having a great day out here. La Conner. It's mid-October, and people got their t-shirts on. Beautiful, beautiful blue sky. Never gets old. They love climbing the ladder, getting the apples down.
Hey, Grandpa.
That's a great shot right there.
You doing good?
Just runs through. Oh yeah, push it down a little bit. No, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, you're all right then.
Making juice.
I wonder though, which one puts out the more juice per bucket?
You'd have to have the exact same apples.
Yeah.
You have to get a
Way two groups of apples. That would be a good way. Way two groups of apples. Dump them in.
Whoa, hold on a second. My hand's already gooey. My hand's gooey.
About done?
No, keep going a little bit.
No, it's not having fun.
It's about having fun as long as my machine's We're being too scientific.
All right, that's good, Troy. Excellent. Oh yeah, that's a full bucket.
I could build a tray.
Slide that forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it in that outside.
He has a tray in the bottom that holds this up off the bottom.
I don't know that it would do any different though, Greg. It's still juice, and this juice still comes out.
I know, but it would keep the bag out of the juice.
Well,
my
maybe.
bag is sitting in the juice.
Yeah. Yeah, this one.
I think it might.
This one does have.
You may get 1/10 of an ounce more juice.
This does have juice that is just sitting down in here, but
But it'll run out.
it's yeah.
Really full.
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
So a little less.
All right.
Yeah, because my threads are way at the bottom.
I mean, look at the amount of apples we got to work with today. Holy moly's, we got apples. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 15, 16, and we've already gone through. Look at how much juice we have over here.
I got it. My block was hanging over the edge.
We've already gone through.
Yeah, it's gonna go twice as fast this year.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You can start making
48. That's 24 gallons so far. 23, we're missing 2.
You gotta have some apples.
23 gallons, but they're still pouring. And we still got all left to go.
Will still be trickling in there.
All right, I'm glad we have 2 today because we got a ton of apples, and they're still picking. They're still picking apples over there. Don't just take a picture, pick it.
Oh,
Oh, nasty. I need a piece. We need to get some cutters, and I need to take that piece right there.
you need a piece of the
I have some rootstock at home I want to put a graft on. All right. Yeah, cut that rung right there, or cut that, yeah.
You want the whole thing?
Yeah,
Like right here?
yeah, perfect. Give it an inch or so. There you go. Perfect scion right there, thank you. This one's juicing pretty good.
We got reassigned or some such thing. And I struggled with it since the very beginning.
This one's about done.
Crosswise information is another thing.
But look at the amount of nozzles. That's Holly. She's a very shy girl. But look at the nozzles, all right? We have all these different ones, all right? And then we have multiple, and we get out of the nozzles, which you can see, and we go into the handles. You record everything. And then if you go up higher, we got sprinklers. All kinds of sprinklers. There's no pool stuff.
I have spa, but it's turning green.
At the end of the day, we're at like 90 to 100 gallons. People have taken some home. We're finishing up. I mean, it worked great.
This was the light end.
Yeah,
I rotated it till it
Yeah.
got to be the light end, and I taped metal bolts here
Yeah.
till it got to spin freely, and then I drilled a hole, put the bolts in there, and epoxied that.
Nice.
So I balanced it.
Yeah,
It's not perfect, but it's pretty close.
it's pretty good. It's really good, Greg. It's really good.
And then these little bits of,
I think it's very comparable to this factory
well, I didn't want to buy a $500 grinder.
nose. Is it $500
I
for
don't
that
know how
box?
much it is, but it's a lot of money for a grinder.
I do love this. I do love this apple grinder. I mean, it's great.
It was good. There were lots of bays that were not very crowded.
It grinds it,
And the weather turned out being pretty good.
presses it, juices it.
I'm looking forward to going back. Yeah, I won't get up there.